The 2013 Honda Accord Coupe Grand Touring by Bisimoto. Everyone knows Bisimoto Engineering for their amazing street and race vehicles, but the 2012 SEMA Show is proving to be an opportunity for them to show off just how much they can do. They have already unveiled a few impressive updated vehicles, like the 600 HP Elantra GT, but they're adding yet another one to their list with the Grand Touring package based on the 2013 Honda Accord Coupe. The tuner started by adding HPF side skirts, a fascia kit for the front and rear, and continued with a Gatorwrap custom laminated body wrap combined with a Denmatic design scheme. The interior received GT3 racing seats and a roll cage. The exterior and interior upgrades were only thrown in to provide a complete package because the real star of the show is the upgrades of the engine. The Honda's standard V6 engine has been tricked to deliver an amazing 401 HP, up from the standard 300. For this update, the tuner used a supercharger system and a new cat-back exhaust system. The Honda Accord Coupe sits on a new set of 19 aluminum wheels combined with a coil suspension and a sway bar.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.